all RKOs were gone already, and I just want to know kung saan po napunta at kung yung JOs, like how many per counselor and all that. Because
welcome back sa aking YouTube channel, Jeremy's TV, Manila. Shout out po sa mga Iskonians na patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga Iskonians forever, saludo po ako at mabuhay kayo lahat. Alright guys, so topic natin po today sa video, 50 million budget para sa job order at iba pa. Binusisi ng Team Yormes. Ayan guys, kasi nga talaga na mga pag dumarating ang Pasko, dumarami yan guys, yung job order. So sa hindi nakakalam, ang job order po, ito yung mga nagtatrabaho sa City Hall na hindi regular. Kumbaga, kinuwala for contractor lang. Pero meron naman din nagtatrabaho na job order na tumatagal din sa City Hall. Kaya nga guys, alam nyo, ito yung nagiging isang ginagamit kapag corrupt yung nasa City Hall. Talagang dito nila ginagawa yung kanilang corruption. Diba? Kasi nung binusisi nga nitong si Councilor Alfonso, ang sabi niya, sino ba makikinabang dyan? At kanino mapupunta yan? Siyempre, yun ang tanong, diba? 50 billion yan. So, kailangan mabusisi, kagaya ng, kung maalala nyo guys, yung 25 billion, di ba, na budget ng City Hall, na kung saan ay hindi rin nalaman ng Yormes Choice kung ano yung nasa loob nun. Kung ano-ano ba, saan lang yung napunta, at talagang minadali pa yung budget, di ba, question nila yan. So, dito nga guys, nagkakaroon ng corruption. Yung mga job order na tinatawag, ito yung mga street sweeper, yung mga tagawales, di ba? Yung mga gardener, yung mga plaza, yan, mini-maintain yung mga halaman dyan, yung sa mga maintenance, yung kumukuha ng mga basura. So, marami pang pag-maintain na ginagawang job order. Pero yun na nga guys, dapat nga pagka matagal na, di ba? Yung isang empleyado, siyempre sa katagalan yan, halimbawa, nanalo yung mayor, di ba? Ng 3 years, ng 3 terms. Siyempre guys, yung kanyang trabaho, ay master niya na, di ba? Specialista na siya doon. Di ba? Siguro kailangan pagka ganun, kailangan ng irregular yung tao. Kawawa naman, di ba? Kasi nga, kada election kasi, nangangamba yung mga job order na yan. Siyempre, tatanggalin na sila dahil iba na yung mayor na uupo. So mag-iiba naman, kukuha na naman ng madaming tao. At talaga nagiging korupsyon. Halimbawa, di ba, sa street sweeper, yung mga nagwawalas dyan. Pag binilang mo, di ba, halimbawa, sabihin nila, 2,000 lang. Pero yung iba, guys, nilalagay dyan, ghost employee, ginagawang 3,000. Di ba? Pagdating naman sa mga gardener din, ganun din ang ginagawa. Kumbaga, wala namang tao, sumasahod. Hindi lang dito sa Maynila yung job order sa lahat ng city hall o ng munisipyo. Kaya pagka nakakalusot yung mga ibang nasa munisipyo or city hall, talaga yun ang ginagawa. Mga ghost employee ang tinatawag. Kaya kailangan busisihin para malaman na talaga may tao na nagtatrabaho, di ba? Baka mamaya wala namang tao, sumasahod. Yan po nagiging problema. Isa yan sa nagiging corruption. Kaya dito, binusisi nitong si Councilor Alfonso, sino tatanggap yan? At ilan yan, di ba? Bagamat sinabi naman sa kanilang session dyan sa City Council, siyempre hindi na natin alam kung ilan ba talaga yan. Sila lang ang nakakaalam dyan kung talagang accurate yung number o talagang may tao dyan o ilan lang yung tao. Yung iba, ghost employee na. Diba guys? Pwedeng ganon, pwedeng ganon kasi nga yan ang pinagkukuhanan din nila ng budget sa kanila. Lalo na, malapit na yung election. Kaya guys, ito, panoorin po natin yung video, ha? At huwag kalimutan guys, like, share, and subscribe kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali, huwag nyo na nang skip yung ads guys, di ba? Tulong nyo na lang, pampalaki ng ating channel. At syempre guys, yung comment nyo napaka-importante po yan. Ay, lagi ko sinasabi, ito yung simpatsya natin, ito yung suporta natin kay Boss Y. Alright guys, so hanggang dito lamang po. Abangan nyo susunod kong vlog at pagpalain tayo ng buong may kapal. Manila, God bless.
Authorizing the grant of gratuity pay to contract of service and job order workers in the city government of Manila pursuant to Administrative Order Number 28 Series of 2024 and providing funds thereof. Therefore, in the total amount of 50,955,000 pesos and for other purposes.
There's a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to tackle on the floor for first reading ordinance number 9097. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Wala na, masabi ko na. Tapos ito na.
1 minute recess. Session resume.
For second reading, Your Honor, for second reading, I have an ordinance number 9097 authorizing
Your Honor,
the grant.
Your Honor,
Of gratuity.
Honor.
Councilor Maki Lacson is recognized.
yes, we approve for first reading the said draft ordinance, Your Honor.
Yes, there's a motion and it's been granted. There's no objection for the first reading of the said draft
Alright.
ordinance number 9097.
Sorry po, Your Honor, hindi ko lang baka na-remember.
Mr. Majority Floor Leader, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. For second reading, ordinance number 9097 authorizing the grant of gratuity pay to contract of service and job order workers in the city government of Manila pursuant to Administrative Order Number 228 Series of 2024 and providing funds therefor the total amount of 50,955,000 pesos and for other purposes.
There's a motion to tackle on the floor said draft ordinance number 9097. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor,
Question? Your Honor, question.
Councilor Irma Alfonso is recognized.
Yes. Your Honor, para po sa yung i-approve natin ngayon is para sa mga JOs, right? Ilan po ba ang total na mga JOs sa buong Maynila sa atin to?
With the indulgence
Your
of
Honor.
Councilor Irma Alfonso, I have to open the period of discussion and debate so the primary principal author can answer all the queries.
Oh, yes, okay.
With your
I
indulgence,
didn't
please.
hear that it is, okay, thank you.
Mr. Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. With that, Your Honor, I move that we open the period of discussion and debate.
There's a motion to open the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
So if I may, Your Honor,
May I
I
kindly
would like to-
recognize
Tired of styling?
Councilor numero uno Lim as a principal author.
yes, thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, according to the fiscal year that is allotted for our city, based on the administrative order given by our President Mark BBM, 50,995,000 divided by 5,000 will be around 10,199. Not just only po sa JO, pati contractual workers din po as well.
Okay. So, Your Honor,
Can I make a privileged
Yeah.
sponsorship speech first?
okay.
Can we allow, with your indulgence, Councilor Irma Alfonso, for the principal author to manifest his explanation regarding the said draft ordinance?
Yes, Your Honor. By
Thank
all
you.
means, Your Honor.
Thank you, Councilor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Councilor Onalim is recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor, for accepting this request. Your Honors, I am honored to sponsor this ordinance in compliance with Administrative Order Number 28 issued by our board. This national directive recognizes the vital contribution of our JO and our contract of service workers in our city, who remain critical, of course, to our public service despite not enjoying regular employee benefits. And this ordinance, Your Honors, allocates 50,955,000 from the fiscal year 2024 executive budget to provide a one-time gratuity pay 5,000 to eligible workers as mandated po by the Department of Budget and Management, Your Honor. By passing this measure promptly, we align with the President's vision and show our commitment to valuing the hard work of our workforce. And I urge my colleagues to sponsor this ordinance, of course, as a reflection of our gratitude and adherence to this important national policy. According po doon sa computation po, 50,955,000 will around, it's almost 10,000 JO and contractual workers distributed, not just only JO po, pati contract of service din po. Kasama rin po rito, Your Honors.
Councilor Irma Alfonso, okay na po ba ang sagot ng ating principal author?
Yes, Your Honor, but I have a follow-up question, Your Honor.
Go ahead,
If-
please.
That 10,000, about 10,000 of JOs and contractual workers, do you know how was it distributed, the JOs? Since we're not anymore part of the majority, so all our JOs were gone already, and I just want to know kung saan po napunta at kung yung JOs, like how many per councilor and all that, because it's actually a big amount and it's a big help for those people, Your Honor. Thank
Councilor Onalim.
Thank you, Your Honor. About the 10,199 workers, I still yet to decide the numbers for our, what is yung distribution po ng 10,199 workers po, as mentioned. But I'll just, can I request for 1 minute recess, Your Honor?
1 minute recess.
Your Honor, Honorable Councilors, the distribution of the 10,199 job orders and contractual service workers is as follows. Based on the verified list submitted by the various departments and offices of the City Government of Manila, under our Manila Health Department, the barangay health workers, nurses and support staffs, there are 2,500 workers. These individuals provide direct healthcare services, barangay health centers, and assist in citywide health programs including COVID-19 response before. So sila ho yung nasa 2005. Yung DPS po natin, street sweepers, garbage collectors, and sanitation workers, 2,800 workers. This workforce ensures cleanliness and sanitation in public spaces across Manila. Under the Office of the Mayor, the administrative support staff, and special projects personnel, we have 1,500 workers under the Office of the Mayor. Personnel, we have 1,500 workers under the Office of the Mayor. These personnel handle critical administrative tasks and support specialist initiative under the Mayor's Office. Department of Social Welfare and Development, social workers and community organizers, 1,200 workers. They are focused on delivering social services such as assistance to indigent families, children, and senior citizens. Your Honor, engineering and public works, infrastructure and maintenance workers. We have 1,000 workers. These include engineers, maintenance staff, and laborers involved in city infrastructure projects. Under the Manila Traffic and Parking Bureau, the traffic enforcers and parking aides as well, we have 800 workers. So responsible for maintaining order in traffic flow and parking management throughout the city. In the education and community support as well, we have daycare workers and community educators, Your Honors. We have 400 workers assigned to daycare center and community education initiatives.
Mine
And
too.
Your Honors,
Mine
each
too.
department or offices submitted their respective lists, which have been validated by the City Treasurer's Office to ensure that all workers are actively engaged and meet the criteria under Administrative Order Number 28. The grant of gratuity pay will be distributed based on this allocation on ensuring transparency, fairness, and compliance with national guidelines. So, of course, if additional details or adjustment are required, we can collaborate with department heads to provide further clarification. Yun ho yung distribution, Your Honor, ng 10,199. Salamat po.
Yes, Your Honor, I've heard it. Wala po kasi akong narinig na nasa City Council na JOs, Your Honor. And the total, is it 10 addition ko kasi parang 9,600 lang yung sinabi ni Konsehal Uno Lim.
Your Honor.
So, if you may do the addition, Your Honor, because now I'm not holding anything. The 2.8, the 2.5, and the 1.8 and 1.2 and 800 and 400 that mentioned,
Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Councilor Unolim.
Your Honor, I believe that the City Council doesn't have JO, but it's in the, under the office of the mayor as well. So wala ho tayong JO. For the
Yes, under the
information.
office of the mayor stated that it was 1,200. Is it right? Did I hear it right, Your Honor?
Including the personnel, I just want to answer the query of
Go ahead.
our good counselor, Dr. Irma
Yes, Your Honor.
Alfonso.
Thank you.
Just for the information to everyone, the City Council doesn't have any JO, but
Okay.
it's I think if she is asking about the office of the mayor, it's around almost 1,200 to 1,500.
200.
1,200.
Including
Yeah,
the
because
personnel,
so-
including her administrative staff, including her the entire staff of the office of the mayor. It's around 1,200 to 1,500, Your Honor.
Councilor Irma.
So the total is 10,100, is it? Yes, Your Honor.
It's around 1,500, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Around Councilor Irma, as the principal author manifested, it's around 1,500 in total po, including the personnels and other JOs in the city, in the office of the city mayor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Would that suffice?
Okay, Your Honor. If
It's
you do
around-
the math,
It's around 7.5 million under the office of the mayor.
of the mayor and the rest will be
It's
the
all
others that you
distributed po.
mentioned, right?
The rest is all distributed. It's
Yes.
around, Your Honor,
Okay. Okay.
the remaining 9,000.
It's clear. It's clear, Your Honor. I get it.
Okay, with that,
Yes, I get it. We do that. Yes.
Mostly the remaining
May I say
9,000
something?
will distributed to different departments, Your Honors.
Would the answer suffice the question of the Honorable Councilor Irma Alfonso?
Yes, Your Honor. I would just like to be reminded that we do that ever, right? We do give incentives and gratuity pays to the JOs and all the contractual workers of the City of Manila. Yun lang po kasi ang gusawan, syempre kung saan mapupunta, yun mga yun. And we understand that the office of the councilors do not have any JOs. I just want to mention. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you,
Merry
Councilor
Christmas.
Irma Alfonso. Is there any other manifestation, Councilor Unalim?
That's all, Your Honor.
What's the pleasure of Majority Floor Leader?
Your Honor, with that, may I move to close the period of discussion and debate.
There's a motion to close the period of discussion and debate. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor,
Ditch your
Seeing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, may I move that we open the period of amendments. We dispense the period of amendments.
There is a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to dispense the period of amendments. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, may I move for the approval of the ordinance number 9097 for second reading.
There's a motion by the Majority Floor Leader to approve for second reading ordinance number 9097, an ordinance authorizing the grant of gratuity pay to contract of service and job order workers in the City Government of Manila pursuant to Administrative Order number 28, Series of 2024, and providing funds thereof, therefore, in the total amount of 50,955,000 pesos and for other purposes. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is approved.
Your Honor, may I move for recess?
1 minute recess declared by the Chair. Session resumed.
Your Honor, I move the approval of ordinance number 9097, authorizing the grant of gratuity pay to contract of service and job order workers in the City Government of Manila pursuant to Administrative Order number 28 Series of 2024 and providing funds therefore in the total amount of 50,955,000 pesos and for other purposes.
There's a motion for third and final reading to
Yeah, and for third and final reading and for publication.
There's a motion to approve the said draft ordinance number 9097 for third and final reading and for publication. Is there any objection? Seeing none, motion is carried.
With that, Your Honor,
Congratulations, Councilor Unolim.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor.
with that, I move for
What's the pleasure of the Majority Floor Leader?
recess.
1 minute recess declared by the Chair.